How to find your LBank wallet address on the LBank app. In this quick video, I will show you how to find your LBank wallet address on the LBank app. If you're looking to receive crypto on LBank, then you will need your wallet address, and it's critical to pick the correct wallet address and network, because if you make a mistake, then you will risk losing your funds. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, and I accept no liability for you losing or sending your crypto to the wrong address. And if in doubt, send a small test amount of crypto first. So to find your wallet address on the LBank app, press the Assets button on the right of the bottom menu. Then you want to pick Deposit. Then you want to pick the crypto that you plan to deposit by either searching or scrolling. I'm going to pick USDT. You then want to pick On-Chain, as we are transferring in from another wallet or exchange. If there are multiple networks, and in this case there is, you can choose the one you will be sending your crypto on. I'm going to pick the TRC20 network, and now you will see the wallet address and QR code for this specific crypto and network. You can copy the address by pressing the button to the right of the address that looks like 2 sheets of paper, or you can scan the QR code above this. It's always worth copying the address or scanning the QR code rather than typing it manually. Anyway, if you got any value from this video, then please smash the like button. And don't forget to subscribe, as I upload new finance and crypto related content every week. And if you're just getting started with crypto, you may be wondering what's the difference between a coin and a token. So I recommend watching this video next. It's been Ollie from Get Geek Finance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.